Telemedicine consultations and remote communication through the online channels is going to be the norm of things in days to come for the foreseeable future. So people are getting online, conducting most of their business online. So when you want to go online, you may be looking for a web camera. In this video, I am using my Logitech Brio webcam to record this. I've got two soft boxes in front of me. There is a green screen which is being illuminated with the soft boxes behind me. I've got a hair light to my back over here. The green screen is also illuminated with two ring lights. The sound is being recorded with the native mic of the Logitech Brio webcam. I have configured the entire parameters of the Logitech camera in Logitech Capture, which is the software which comes along with the camera. So when you are buying a webcam, you should always see that there is an accompanying software. In this case, Logic Capture is the native software for the Logitech Brio webcam. This webcam gives you 4K resolution on suitable computers. What do you think about the resolution and the picture quality? It comes close to that of the lower end DSLR and mirrorless cameras. So if you're looking for a good webcam to conduct online meetings or record videos, then this may be an attractive solution for you. You can find more videos on my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.